Okay, let's go.
Hi, welcome to Formula Academy today. Today we'll be talking about chemistry. So let's go. So the question given to us says that when propane undergoes combustion reaction, the product has carbon dioxide, which is CO2 and H2O. Write a balanced equation for the reaction. So now, where most students will find it difficult in answering such question is when they don't know what propane is and combustion reaction is. So now, I did a comprehensive teaching on how to balance chemical equation on my YouTube channel called Formula Academy. So please do that to log in and ensure you watch the video. So let's quickly solve this example. So when we talk about propane is an hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon usually go through combustion reaction, and when an hydrocarbon go through combustion reaction, it always give you carbon dioxide and water. So we always give you CO2 and H2O. Now when we talk about combustion reaction, is a combustion reaction a reaction that they go through oxygen. So they react with oxygen. So this is propane. Propane is C3H8 plus CO2 gives O2 plus gives CO2 plus H2O. So whenever an hydrocarbon go through combustion reaction, it always gives us CO2 plus H2O. So combustion reaction always what with oxygen. Oxygen, please take note. Now let's balance this chemical equation. Now one of the very first examples you need to know when balancing equation is suppose bring out the mole of each of the reactant and the product. This is the reactant and the product. So wherever element you see, you bring out the mole. So there is 3 mole of carbon in the reactant, while there is 1 mole of carbon in the product. Now there is 8 mole of hydrogen, while there is 2 mole of hydrogen in the product side. Now there is 2 mole of oxygen in the reactant side, and there is 3 mole of oxygen in the product side. So now you have to now balance step. So the first effective is first of all, let's balance carbon. I will add 3 to this side because there's 3 carbon here. So this will be 3. This will be 3. Then now that we have balanced carbon, now let's balance hydrogen. Now there's 8 hydrogen here. So what do we add to the 2 here that will make it 8, which is 4? You add 4 to this place. Now, what do we add to oxygen that will make oxygen balanced here? So there's 3 here. 3 times 2 will give us 6 mole of oxygen plus the 4 oxygen that is there. So there is 10 oxygen in the product side, while there is 2 oxygen in the reactant side. So what do we add to 2 that will give us 10 is 5. So here will be what? 5. So we just balance this equation. It's very simple and easy. But before you go, you solve this. When enzene undergo combustion reaction, when enzene undergo combustion reaction, when enzene undergo combustion reaction, what's the equation? And tell me the answer in the comment section. I want to know. Thank you.